Hi, welcome to the Rugged Rundown, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Getac V110 third generation fully rugged convertible laptop. Convertible means screen spins around, fold it down, bingo, now it acts like a tablet. That's what a convertible laptop is. This is Getac's answer to its competition's Panasonic Toughbook CF19 fully rugged laptop. Now, what do I like about this laptop? Look at this keyboard. It's a full-size keyboard that I'm not scared to type on. That's right, the keys aren't small, it's really nice, and it's got a nice feel to it. I mean, one thing about Getac, their keyboards are great. The other feature in this is the mouse pad. It's built into the palm rest, and the mouse keys are actually a part of the mouse pad, which is pretty cool. I didn't find any problems with it. Yeah, it's a resistive touchpad, and yes, you got to press it down to use it, but it still works great. Another nice feature about this laptop is the port covers. Let's take a look at what I'm talking about. Watch this. If I pop it up and I fold it back, look at that. Look how sturdy that is. And then there's a rubber, looks like an O-ring around this. This is the power port. That's a nice feature. Same thing with this. If we look here, let's take a look at this. This is the USB HDMI. Same design. It's got the O-ring that seals this up so no water or dust can get to those ports. That's a nice feature. I mean, the CF19, for example, just has a standard flap that uses hard plastic to cover the ports. I don't think that's as water resistant or dust resistant as these are. Keeping moving forward, this thing has battery, and I'm going to open up the battery port here and take a look inside this battery. This is a thin, nice, lightweight battery, and I think that goes back to the laptop itself being slightly thinner than its competition's convertible laptops. It comes with, well, I guess this might have been an option, but there's a nice carry strap right here, so you can carry it around. It has buttons on the front, P1 and P2, which are programmable buttons, and right here is your microphone to record stuff. There's a volume up and down for audio. Here's the latch. The latch is really good. Take a look. It goes just like that, so your latch is fine. And then over here is your webcam that's built into the front of the screen, but there's no rear webcam. Just a standard webcam on the front so you can do your Zoom meetings, and it has a Windows button on the front of the screen. That is the Getac V110 in a nutshell. So what I expect you guys to do is leave me some comments and let me know what you think, as well as watch my other V110 videos. I have a number of them up that talk about some of the great features, some of the problems I found. I bet you didn't think I would find problems, but yes, I did. So watch those videos. I'll put those links down in the description. And I think you know what to do. Subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you guys next time.